Here I've got Nokia 7.2, and let me show you how to add some particular website to Bookmarks on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using, and let me click on the more icon, which is this one in the right upper corner, and all you have to do to save this page in your bookmarks is to tap on this star icon. And that's it. As you can see, it has been bookmarked. If you click here again, you will notice that the star is fulfilled, and let me change the website, for example, to HardReset.info. And now if you click on more icon, you can go to Bookmarks and smoothly click on this bookmark tab. Within a couple of seconds you will be redirected. So this is how you can save websites that you often visit and you want to have them bookmarked. And actually that's it. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.